Hello everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to get a loan from Bank of America even if you have a bad credit score. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Getting a loan on Bank of America with a low credit score is challenging but not impossible. To be eligible for it, follow the steps. First, check your credit. Review your credit report and score. Correct any errors before applying for a loan. 2. Compare options. Explore loan offerings from various sources, including community banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Pre-qualify with at least 3 lenders to assess eligibility and rates without affecting your credit score. 3. Consider a cosigner. Increase your chances and potentially get a lower interest rate by involving a credit-worthy cosigner. Ensure clear communication and a repayment plan. 4. Prepare documents. Gather necessary financial documents including identification, income statements, and address verification. 5. Anticipate hard credit check. Be aware that applying for a loan will result in a temporary credit score drop. Minimize damage by completing multiple inquiries within a 45-day period. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.